Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay. How are you today, guys?
I'm good,
I'm
Miss.
happy.
How about you, Miss?
Um, I'm good. Thank you. Okay. Uh, Let me ask you guys for the experience. Have you ever experienced in doing something together with your friends uh, that the result was satisfying, or you together with your friend doing something and the result was satisfying or succeeded? Do you have experience about it?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Yes. Actually, that the experience um, in a group, right? Or not individual, but with your friends.
Yes.
How do you feel if your experience that the result was satisfying? Are you happy?
Happy.
Super happy.
Yes.
Yes. Maybe in a competition, right?
Yes.
Okay. Um, let me show it a video. This one. Yes. Oh. Actually, this experience from Prana and Lisa in last week. Before we after the quiz, let's watch this video. Then we retell the experience.
Kita punya kapas gak? Kapas ada di kotak ketiga kan? Oke. Kalau biji kacang hijau masih ada nggak? Biji kacang hijau? Bubur kacang hijau kali kak. Usah banyak biji kacang hijau kak. Biji kacang hijau mana bisa dimakan kak? Dimakan bubur kacang hijau. Biji kacang hijau ya, bukan untuk dimakan kak. Kak Musa perlu biji kacang hijau buat eksperimen. Iya kak? Iya mak. Musa lagi ada tugas IPA. Eksperimen biji kacang hijau. Eksperimen? Apaan tuh kak? Eksperimen itu melakukan percobaan kak. Musa lagi mau percobaan tanam biji kacang hijau cuma pakai kapas dan air kak. Lara bingung ya. Ini kacang hijaunya kak, udah Rara bersihin. Tuh. Sekarang kita taruh di atas kapas yang sudah dibasahi. Di atas kapas. Sekarang masukin ke dalam kotak. Kak, bijinya di kapas sih. Namanya juga buat eksperimen, Ra. Rara juga boleh coba ya kak? Boleh kan? Boleh? Iya boleh. Nih, bisa buas nih. Kamu cobain ya, makan. Habis itu, kamu tutup deh tabnya kamu sah. Terus ditutup, jangan sampai kena sinar matahari. Emang kenapa? Kalau kena sinar matahari kak? Ya bisa gagal eksperimennya. Jadi harus di tempat yang sejuk. Di tempat sejuk? Iya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
If we're not telling the story again, like this guys, this one is, we call it, the text is the context. So, what is related between the context and the experience? Experience is in the past, right?
Yes.
If we retell again experience in paragraph, that we call it a recontext, because recontext, the purpose of recontext is to the readers about events or experience in the past, right? So, if we have an experience together with friends and we retell it again about experience that, so what will get your friends? What will your friends get? Is he get information?
Yes.
Yes.
Or yes. Anything else? If we tell the detail like this one. Detail like this one, like experience from Nusa and Rara. We can learn something new, right?
Oh, yes.
We can learn good things from the experience. So the topic lesson for today is yes, we made it because we are doing together with our friends. For generic structure of context, there are three: orientation, event, and the orientation. For orientation, introducing the participants, place, and time, and then event describing the events in chronological order, and the orientation is starting personal comment or impression of story. And then for the language features, there are 5 elements. For the first is introduction, personal participant like I, my, family, and using the chronological connection like first, second, then, and next. Using action verb like look, move, ate, and using simple past tense like went, saw, both, walk, and using linking verb was, were, saw, and could. Okay, let's break down this. For the first paragraph, that is orientation, and then for the second paragraph is event, and then for the third paragraph is the orientation. I need a volunteer here, maybe for read this first paragraph.
Nusa and Rara green bean experiment. Yesterday, Nusa and her sister Rara did a science experiment for Nusa's homework. Nusa needed green beans, cotton, and plasticos. Nusa asked Uma where to find the materials, and she chose them. Nusa explained to Rara that they would grow green beans using cotton and wool, not to eat them.
Okay, for the next one, then please.
Nusa put wet cotton into a container and put green beans on top. Rara wanted to help, so they worked together. They covered the beans with a cloth and stored the container in a cool place, away from sunlight.
At the end of the day, they checked it and they saw that the seeds had started to sprout. They showed it to Uma, and they were glad it worked. Nusa and Rara were happy that their experiment had been successful.
Yes. Okay. The first paragraph is orientation in our context. What we use tense in here.
Simple past tense.
Simple past tense. Use verb to, right?
Yes.
In the first paragraph is orientation. Orientation, introduction, the character. Who's the character there?
Nusa and Rara.
Yes. Nusa and Rara. And and Uma. And begin what happened to do. What berada di first paragraph. And then for the second paragraph is event. In event is the detail happens to do. Jadi planning detailnya tuh ada di sana. Seperti Nusa put red cotton into container, like anything else for the detail. And in event, on event, there are main happens. Jadi main happensnya tuh di sana. Gitu. And then for the third paragraph is reorientation. For reorientation, feel a conclusion from the first until the end happens to do cleans until the end, and what impression from Nusa Tenggara is what impression Nusa Tenggara the result. She is happy, right?
Yes.
That's all. Okay. So this is where is the text?
The
Context.
context.
Okay. From that lesson, any question, guys?
No.
No, miss.
Okay. For the next, I will give you exercise in a group, 3 or 4 members. Okay, I will share you. Group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 3. Okay. Okay. Please, susun or arrange. We have to combine the sentence, the paragraph, orientation, event, and the orientation. After that, you can follow it. Answer the question in below. Okay, guys. I will give you 7 minutes from now.
Miss, how we can put the
Oh, iya, sebentar. Okay, the photo there can help you to organize your structure paragraph, guys. based on the story, ya guys. Up to you. Yes. And you can answer the question in below based on the story. Don't forget to fill oh yeah, a verb of time like yesterday, last week, like that. Guys.
Okay, done, miss.
Yes. Okay, everyone finished? Okay, 1 minute later. Read it again. From after that, every group will present the result. Please come forward, maybe. Stand up. Everyone, please attention.
The title is Learn Ride a Bike. Orientation. Last month I really wanted to ride a bike like my friends, but I kept falling down. It was no fun. And the event, my mom and dad helped me. They told me to keep trying. I practiced in our yard, holding onto the fence. And then the orientation. Finally, after a lot of practice, I could ride a bike all by myself. It was so exciting. I rode around the neighborhood and felt so happy.
Yes, good. Okay, for the next group.
The title is My Mom's Birthday. Yesterday, my dad and I wanted to make my mom happy, so we decided to bake a birthday cake for her. First, we gathered the flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. Then we mixed everything together and put it in the oven. After a while, the cake was done. Next, we frosted it and added springs. It looked so yummy. When my mom saw the cake, she was very happy. We sang happy birthday to her and she blew out the candles. After that, we ate the cake together and had a lot of fun.
Okay, can you mention a group of time?
Yesterday,
Okay. For the character.
the character is the mom, the dad, the children. Yes.
Okay, for the next group. We can present.
The title of Fighting Together. Orientation. Last summer, I wanted to do something fun with my sibling. I suggested we find together. We chose a picture of that cute cat as our inspiration. Events. At first, we were really excited, but then my sibling accidentally spilled blue paint on the cat white fur. We were a bit worried, but then I had an idea. We had a big blue bow around the cat's neck. It looked even cutter. Reorientation. We kept fighting and had a lot of fun. We loved and joked around. When we finished, we were so proud of our fighting. It was a great way to spend the day together.
Okay. What we can learn from that story?
We can using imagination to solve the problem.
Thank you. So, what we can listen for today? What we have got?
So, the context will tell our experience in the past, and we have to use simple past.
Okay. For your Debbie?
We know the book that we can use in the context. is use verb 3.
Verb two.
Verb 2.
Yes. You say verb two in a simple past.
Yes.
By reciting, by reading the record text, we can get all the information and something new too.
Yes. We can learn good things from the experience, right?
Yes.
So is that important, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's all for this for today. And let's say Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil